Today mga kabatak, I will show you the new update on how to send money through Ooredoo Mobile Money app. Let's follow the instruction. The first thing we have to do is we have to log into our Ooredoo Mobile Money app. Then we have to tap Send Money. So I already got a message and I have to send money to Philippines and I will tap this. Then just tap how much you want to send. So for example, okay, then tap next. So we'll just tap next again. Oh, it's little, so I have to tap more. So let's make it 653. Yes. Next. Okay, then you have to review the details. Receiver, name, exchange rate, everything, then send transfer. So we have to wait for the 4-digit code from Ooredoo. And we already got a message, so let's proceed. So it's already submitted mga kabatak, and MoneyGram transaction sent successfully. And I already got a reference number from Ooredoo, so you can send it to your loved ones. Hope this video helps mga kabatak. See you to the next. Thank you for watching.